How to find Temu discount code for the existing users. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are a new user in Temu, you might get different options, but if you are existing users, here are some working promo codes or the discount codes. For this, first of all, open any of your browser and go to realmenot.com. Now from the list or the search bar, type in Temu coupons and promo codes. Here are different verified offers till date. So to use any of the coupon code, just tap on it and it will take you to another page. Just copy the code and then click on Temu option. This will take you to the Temu's website from where you can log in, get the things that you want in the cart, and while checking out, you have the option to redeem the code and get the discount offer as well. The working promo code for now is INC89362. Likewise, you can also get amazing offers from the Temu itself. Other than that, make sure that you check the expiry date as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.